how to use a drill bit in an Erbauer impact driver. So there's a couple of different ways how to do this. If you have drill bits like this and it does no hex cutout, it won't attach and stay in place in the impact driver. So what you'd need is a bit holder like this with a hex cutout. Then slide the collar forward, release once it's pushed all the way back. This will be then stuck in. You'll then be able to use your non-hex bits like that. So that's one way. You can simply remove the bit hold like that. However, if you have drill bits with the hex cutout already attached, you can pull the collar forward, put it all the way back, release the collar, and you can use it like that. However, you can also get is a chuck adapter with a hex cutout like this. You can pull the collar forward again, all the way back, release, and then you can use the impact driver just how you would with any ordinary drill, and then to your bits like that, tighten it up and use your impact driver. So that's 3 different ways how to use a drill bit in your Erbauer impact driver. Now if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments which method you'll be using your drill bit with the Erbauer impact driver. I'd love to know which you find the best, and if you do find the video helpful, give the video a subscribe, and thanks for watching.